Ram Nam. Sarvebhyah Hritpurvaka Namaskaraha. Welcome to class 35 of Learn to Chant Saundarya Lahari of Adi Shankaracharya. So as you know, we have completed 84 verses in the last class. So today we will learn the next four, that is 85 to 88. Welcome once again, and welcome to our panelists also for today, Prithvi, Charu, Shivani, and Vihan. As usual, we will begin with Guru Vandanam and Mangala Shlokaha, followed by a revision of the verses we have learned in the previous class, and then we will proceed to learning verses 85 to 88. So let us begin. Request all of you to please sit up straight and chant along. Gururev gatirgurumev bhaje Gurunaiva sahasmi namo gurave Na gurov paramam shishurasmi guroho Matirasti gurau mama pahi guro Shruti smriti purananamayam karunalayam Namami bhagavat pada shankaram loka shankaram Saundaryalahari kartre sarvamangaladayine Shankaracharya varyaya yatirajayate namaha Shankarupena machittam pankikritamabhudyaya Kinkari yasya samaya Shankaracharyamashreye Shivashaktya yuktaha yadi bhavati shakta prabhavitum Na chedevan devaha na khalu kushalaspanditum Atastvamadhyam harihara virinchadibhirapi Pranantum stotum va Kathamakrita punya prabhavati Tvau vistaram Kshitidharapati Parvati nijat Nitam vadachidya Tvayi harana rupena nidadhe Ataste vistirnaha Gururayamashesham vasumatim Nitamba pragbharaha Sthagayati laghutvanayati cha Karindranam shundan Kanakakadali kandapatalim Ubhabhyam urubhyam Ubhayamapi nirjitya bhavati Subrittabhyam patyuhu Pranati kathinabhyam girisute Vidhignye janubhyam Vibudhakari kumbhadvayamasi Parajetum rudram Dviguna sharagarbhau girisute Nishangau janghete Vishama vishikho badhamakrita Yadagre drishyante Dashashara phala padayugali Nakha grachadmanaha Suramakutashanaikanishitaha Shrutinam murdhanaha दधति तव यौशेखरतया मामाप्येतौ मातः शिरसि दयया धेहि चरणौ ययोः पाद्यं पाथः पशुपतिजटाजूटतटिनी ययोर्लाक्षा लक्ष्मीः अरुणहरिचूडामणिरुचिः. Okay, let us begin with the 85th verse, Prithvi. नमो वाकं ब्रूमः
नमो वाकं ब्रूमः नमो वाकं ब्रूमः
नयनरमणीयाय पदयोः
नयनरमणीयाय पदयोः नयनरमणीयाय पदयोः
तवास्मै द्वन्द्वाय
तवास्मै द्वन्द्वाय तवास्मै द्वन्द्वाय
स्फुटरुचिरसालक्तकवते
स्फुटरुचिरसालक्तकवते स्फुटरुचिरसालक्तकवते
असूयत्यत्यन्तम्
असूयत्यत्यन्तम् असूयत्यत्यन्तम्
यदभिहननाय स्पृहयते
यदभिहननाय स्पृहयते यदभिहननाय स्पृहयते
पशूनामीशानः
पशूनामीशानः पशूनामीशानः
प्रमदवनकङ्केलितरवे
प्रमदवनकङ्केलितरवे प्रमदवनकङ्केलितरवे
नमो वाकं ब्रूमः नयनरमणीयाय पदयोः तवास्मै द्वन्द्वाय स्फुटरुचिर. So Phu is Mahaprana there. Sputaruchira salaktakavate. Asuyatyantam. Please note all the Sanyukta Aksharas here. That is the compound letters or conjunct letters. Asuyatyantam. Yadabhihananaya. Bhi is Mahaprana. Here, Yadabhihananaya sprihayate. So here you have to note the Dvitvam. Yadabhihananaya sprihayate. That S is doubling. So the Dvitvam there. Pashunamishanah Pramadavana Kankeli Tarave. Okay, so let us do one line at a time. That is one pada. Namo Vakam Brumaha Nayanaramaniya Padayoho.
Namo Vakam Brumaha Nayanaramaniya Padayoho. Namo Vakam Brumaha Nayanaramaniya Padayoho.
Tavasmai Dvandvaya Sputaruchirasalaktakavate.
तवास्मै द्वन्द्वाय स्फुटरुचिरसालक्तकवते तवास्मै द्वन्द्वाय स्फुटरुचिरसालक्तकवते
असूयत्यत्यन्तं यदभिहननाय स्पृहयते
असूयत्यत्यन्तं यदभिहननाय स्पृहयते असूयत्यत्यन्तं यदभिहननाय स्पृहयते
पशूनामीशानः प्रमदवनकङ्केलितरवे
पशूनामीशानः प्रमदवनकङ्केलितरवे पशूनामीशानः प्रमदवनकङ्केलितरवे.
Now we will do half a verse at a time. Namo vakam brumah नयनरमणीयाय पदयोः तवास्मै द्वन्द्वाय स्फुटरुचिरसालक्तकवते
नमो वाकं ब्रूमः नयनरमणीयाय पदयोः तवास्मै द्वन्द्वाय स्फुटरुचिरसालक्तकवते नमो वाकं ब्रूमः नयनरमणीयाय पदयोः तवास्मै द्वन्द्वाय स्फुटरुचिरसालक्तकवते
असूयत्यत्यन्तं यदभिहननाय स्पृहयते पशूनामीशानः प्रमदवनकङ्केलितरवे
असूयत्यत्यन्तं यदभिहननाय स्पृहयते पशूनामीशानः प्रमदवनकङ्केलितरवे असूयत्यत्यन्तं यदभिहननाय स्पृहयते पशूनामीशानः प्रमदवनकङ्केलितरवे.
Now the entire verse. Namo vakam brumah नयनरमणीयाय पदयोः तवास्मै द्वन्द्वाय स्फुटरुचिरसालक्तकवते असूयत्यत्यन्तं यदभिहननाय स्पृहयते पशूनामीशानः प्रमदवनकङ्केलितरवे
नमो वाकं ब्रूमः नयनरमणीयाय पदयोः तवास्मै द्वन्द्वाय स्फुटरुचिरसालक्तकवते असूयत्यत्यन्तं यदभिहननाय स्पृहयते पशूनामीशानः प्रमदवनकङ्केलितरवे नमो वाकं ब्रूमः नयनरमणीयाय पदयोः तवास्मै द्वन्द्वाय स्फुटरुचिरसालक्तकवते असूयत्यत्यन्तं यदभिहननाय स्पृहयते पशूनामीशानः प्रमदवन कंकेलितरवे.
Tamam. Very well chanted. Next, Charu. Mrisha Kritva.
मृषा कृत्वा
गोत्रस्खलनमथ
गोत्रस्खलनमथ
वैलक्ष्यनमितम्
वैलक्ष्यनमितम्
ललाटे भर्तारम्
ललाटे भर्तारम्
चरणकमले ताडयति ते
चरणकमले ताडयति ते
चिरादन्तशल्यम्
चिरादन्तशल्यम्
दहनकृतमुन्मूलितवता तुलाकोटिक्वाणैः किलिकिलितमीशानरिपुणा First line, Mrisha, Mr. So note the pronunciation like Kritva, Mrisha, Kripa, Krishnaha, all these Rikara. It is not U. We should not chant it as Mrusha. It is Mrisha. Mrisha, Kritva, Gotraskhalana Matha. Skha is Mahaprana. And Atha, Tha is Mahaprana. So here, like, generally we stop after the sixth letter in this chandas, but that is not possible. So we have to chant it together. Mrisha Kritva Gotraskhalana Matha. If you want, after that, you could take a breath. Otherwise, chant the entire line. Vailakshya Namitam. Lalate Bhartaram. Bha is Mahaprana. Charana Kamale Tadayatite. Chiradantashyalyam. Note that there are two shas here. So both should be heard clearly while chanting. Dahana Krita Munmulita Vata. Tula Kotikwanaihi. Note the Dvitvam. Kotikwanaihi. Second K is being heard. Tula Kotikwanaihi. Kili Kilita Mishana Ripuna. Na is na, not na. Okay, the difference between na and na should be clear. Here also, Kritva, there is a Dvitvam before T. T is doubling, Kritva. And Gotraskhalana, Sa is also doubling. Two S's are heard. Gotraskhalana, Dvitvam there also. We will do one pada, that is 1/4 at a time. Mrisha Kritva Gotraskhalana Matha Vailakshyanamitam.
मृषा कृत्वा गोत्रस्खलनमथ वैलक्ष्यनमितम् मृषा कृत्वा गोत्रस्खलनमथ वैलक्ष्यनमितम्
ललाटे भर्तारम् चरणकमले ताडयति ते
ललाटे भर्तारम् चरणकमले ताडयति ताडयति ते ललाटे भर्तारं चरणकमले ताडयति ते
चिरादन्तशल्यं दहनकृतमुन्मूलितवता
चिरादन्तशल्यं दहनकृतमुन्मूलितवता चिरादन्तशल्यं दहनकृतमुन्मूलितवता
तूलाकोटिक्वाणैः किलिकिलितमीशानरिपुणा
तुलाकोटिक्वाणैः किलिकिलितमीशानरिपुणा तुलाकोटिक्वाणैः किलिकिलितमीशानरिपुणा
उत्तमम्. Now half verse at a time. मृषा कृत्वा गोत्रस्खलनमथ वैलक्ष्यनमितं ललाटे भर्तारं चरणकमले ताडयति ते
मृषा कृत्वा गोत्रस्खलनमथ वैलक्ष्यनमितं ललाटे भर्तारं चरणकमले ताडयति ते मृषा कृत्वा गोत्रस्खलनमथ वैलक्ष्यनमितं ललाटे भर्तारं चरणकमले ताडयति ते
चिरादन्तशल्यं दहनकृतमुन्मूलितवता तूलाकोटिक्वाणैः किलिकिलितमीशानरिपुणा
चिरादन्तशल्यं दहनकृतमुन्मूलितवता तुलाकोटिक्वाणैः किलिकिलितमीशानरिपुणा चिरादन्तशल्यं दहनकृतमुन्मूलितवता तुलाकोटिक्वाणैः किलिकिलितमीशानरिपुणा.
Okay, I think you muted yourself by mistake, Charu, in the end. Now let us chant the entire verse. Mrisha kritva gotraskhalanamath vailakshyanaमितं ललाटे भर्तारं चरणकमले ताडयति ते चिरादन्तशल्यं दहनकृतमुन्मूलितवता तुलाकोटिक्वाणैः किलिकिलितमीशानरिपुणा
मृषा कृत्वा गोत्रस्खलनमथ वैलक्ष्यनमितं ललाटे भर्तारं चरणकमले ताडयति ते चिरादन्तशल्यं दहनकृतमुन्मूलितवता तुलाकोटिक्वाणैः किलिकिलितमीशानरिपुणा मृषा कृत्वा गोत्रस्खलनमथ वैलक्ष्यनमितं ललाटे भर्तारं चरणकमले ताडयति ते चिरादन्तशल्यं दहनकृतमुन्मूलितवता तुलाकोटिक्वाणैः किलिकिलितमीशानरिपुणा.
Uttamam Charu, many of them have said that you've chanted very well in the chat. So, Uttamam, Dhanyavadaha, well chanted, Charu. Thank you all for your words of appreciation for our panelists. So they are doing a great job and helping us with the Anucharanam, so which makes it easier for all of us to follow and learn. Shivani, 87. Himani hantavyam.
हिमानी हन्तव्यम् हिमानी हन्तव्यम्
Himagiri nivasaikachaturav.
हिमगिरिनिवासैकचतुरौ हिमगिरिनिवासैकचतुरौ
Nishayan nidranam.
निशायान्निद्राणम् निशायान्निद्राणम्
निशिचरमभागे च विशदौ.
निशिचरमभागे च विशदौ निशिचरमभागे च विशदौ
वरं लक्ष्मीपात्रम्.
वरं लक्ष्मीपात्रम् वरं लक्ष्मीपात्रम्
श्रियमति सृजन्तौ समयिनाम्.
श्रियमति सृजन्तौ समयिनाम् श्रियमति सृजन्तौ समयिनाम्
सरोजं त्वत्पादौ.
सरोजं त्वत्पादौ सरोजं त्वत्पादौ
जननि जयतश्चित्रमिह किम्.
जननि जयतश्चित्रमिह किम् जननि जयतश्चित्रमिह किम्.
So we will look at the Dvitvam and the Mahapranas. Himani hantavyam. So that V is doubling. Himani hantavyam. Himagiri nivasaika chaturau. Nishayam nidranam. So Anuswara followed by Ni. Optionally, you could combine the Sandhi and chant it as Nishayan nidranam. Chanting the Anuswara completely is also correct. Nishayam nidranam is also correct. Or Nishayan nidranam. Nishi charama bhage. Bha is Mahaprana. Cha vishadau. Varam lakshmi patram. Shriyamati srijantau samayinam. Sarojam tvatpadau. So here also Anuswara followed by ta. You could combine it and chant it as Sarojan tvatpadau, combining the Sandhi. Or chant the Anuswara completely as Sarojam tvatpadau. Janani Jayatash Chitra Mihakim. Jayatash Chitra. Dvitvam there also. Note the pronunciation clearly. Jayatash Chitra Mihakim. Okay, so I hope this is clear. We will do water. That is one pada at a time. Himani hantavyam. Himagiri nivasaika chaturau.
हिमानी हन्तव्यम् हिमगिरिनिवासैकचतुरौ हिमानी हन्तव्यम् हिमगिरिनिवासैकचतुरौ
Nishayan nidranam. Nishicharamabhage cha vishadau.
निशायान्निद्राणं निशिचरमभागे च विशदौ निशायान्निद्राणं निशिचरमभागे च विशदौ
वरं लक्ष्मीपात्रं श्रियमति सृजन्तौ समयिनाम्
वरं लक्ष्मीपात्रं श्रियमति सृजन्तौ समयिनां वरं लक्ष्मीपात्रं श्रियमति सृजन्तौ समयिनां
सरोजं त्वत्पादौ जननि जयतश्चित्रमिह किम्
सरोजं त्वत्पादौ जननि जयतश्चित्रमिह किम् सरोजं त्वत्पादौ जननि जयतश्चित्रमिह किम्.
Okay, now we will do half verse at a time. Himani hantavyam himagirinivasaika chaturau nishayan nidranam nishicharamabhage cha vishadau
हिमानी हन्तव्यं हिमगिरिनिवासैकचतुरौ निशायान्निद्राणं निशिचरमभागे च विशदौ हिमानी हन्तव्यं हिमगिरिनिवासैकचतुरौ निशायान्निद्राणं निशिचरमभागे च विशदौ
वरं लक्ष्मीपात्रं श्रियमति सृजन्तौ समयिनां सरोजं त्वत्पादौ जननि जयतश्चित्रमिह किम्
वरं लक्ष्मीपात्रं श्रियमति सृजन्तौ समयिनां सरोजं त्वत्पादौ जननि जयतश्चित्रमिह किम् वरं लक्ष्मीपात्रं श्रियमति सृजन्तौ समयिनां सरोजं त्वत्पादौ जननि जयतश्चित्रमिह किम्.
Uttamam. Now the entire verse. Himani hantavyam himagirinivasaika chaturau nishayan nidranam nishicharamabhage cha vishadau varam lakshmipatram श्रियमति सृजन्तौ समयिनां सरोजं त्वत्पादौ जननि जयतश्चित्रमिह किम्
हिमानी हन्तव्यं हिमगिरिनिवासैकचतुरौ निशायान्निद्राणं निशिचरमभागे च विशदौ वरं लक्ष्मीपात्रं श्रियमति सृजन्तौ समयिनां सरोजं त्वत्पादौ जननि जयतश्चित्रमिह किम् हिमानी हन्तव्यं हिमगिरिनिवासैकचतुरौ निशायान्निद्राणं निशिचरमभागे च विशदौ वरं लक्ष्मीपात्रं श्रियमति सृजन्तौ समयिना सरोजं त्वत्पादं जननि जयतश्चित्रमिह किम्.
Tamam. Before we move to the next shloka, a few questions here. I will just answer them. Nishayam nidranam. It is not nidranam. It is nishayam nidranam. Na is hrasva. And baram lakshmi patram. That, yes, you could combine the sandhi and chant it as varal lakshmi patram. That is also correct. So instead of varam lakshmi patram, you'll get a l. So varal lakshmi patram. That is also correct. So I hope the questions are answered. If there is a totally different verse 87, I mean, I'm not sure why that is the case, but most of the books which I have seen have this verse as it is displayed on the screen, and we have also verified from various sources. But there could be other pathantaras, etc., different version, but I have not come across other versions. If you want, you could share it with us, but we are going to follow this version which is shown on the screen. Okay, 88th verse, Vihan.
Ram.
Ram, Vihan. Padante kirtinam.
Padam te kirtinam. Padam te kirtinam.
Prapadamapadam devi vipadam.
Prapadamapadam devi vipadam. Prapadamapadam devi vipadam.
Kathan nitam sadbhihi.
Katham nitam sadbhihi.
Kathina kamathi karparatulam.
Kathina kamathi karparatulam. Kathina kamathi karparatulam.
Katham va bahubhyam.
Katham va bahubhyam. Katham va bahubhyam.
Upayamana kale purabhida.
Upayamana kale purabhida. Upayamana kale purabhida.
Yada dayanyastam.
Yada dayanyastam. Yada dayanyastam.
Drishadi dayamanena manasa.
Drishadi dayamanena manasa. Drishadi dayamanena manasa.
Padam te kirtinam. Padam. So here anuswara followed by ta. We could optionally combine it as padante. So the sandhi would be padante kirtinam. Prapadamapadam devi. Again anuswara followed by the. Instead of the anuswara, na comes in its place. So anuswara is replaced by na. Prapadamapadam devi vipadam. Katham nitam, again same thing. So anuswara followed by na. They're all in the same varga, right? Tatha dadha na. So anuswara is replaced by na. Kathan nitam sadbhihi. Tha and here bha are mahapranas. Kathina kamathi. Thi is mahaprana. Kathina kamathi karpara tulam. Katham va. Tha is mahaprana. And anuswara followed by va. We could also chant it as katham va. Bahubhyam. Note the dvitvam there. The bha is doubling. That is the mahaprana bha. Bahubhyam. Upayamana kale purabhida. Bhi is mahaprana. Yadadaya nyastam. So here again dvitvam, when you combine and chant, the na is doubling. Yada dayanyastam dvitvam. Drishadi, note the pronunciation here. Dr, like drishtihi. Drishadi dayamanena manasa. Okay, so let us chant one pada, that is one quarter at a time. Padante kirtinam prapadamapadante vidipadam. Vihan.
Padam te kirtinam prapadamapadam devi vipadam. Padam te kirtinam prapadamapadam devi vipadam.
Kathan nitam sadbhihi kathina kamathi karparatulam.
Katham nitam sadbhihi kathina kamathi karparatulam. Katham nitam sadbhihi kathina kamathi karparatulam.
Katham va bahubhyam upayamana kale purabhida.
Katham bahubhyam upayamana kale purabhida. Katham va bahubhyam upayamana kale purabhida.
Yada dayanyastam drishadi dayamanena manasa.
Yada dayanyastam drishadi dayamanena manasa. Yada dayanyastam drishadi dayamanena manasa.
Okay, now we will do half verse at a time. Padante kirtinam prapadamapadante vidipadam. Kathan nitam sadbhihi kathina kamathi karparatulam.
Padam te kirtinam prapadamapadam devi vipadam. Katham nitam sadbhihi kathina kamathi karparatulam. Padam te kirtinam prapadamapadam devi vipadam. Katham nitam sadbhihi kathina kamathi karparatulam.
Katham va bahubhyam upayamana kale purabhida. Yada dayanyastam drishadi dayamanena manasa.
Katham va bahubhyam upayamana kale purabhida. Yada dayanyastam drishadi dayamanena manasa. Katham va bahubhyam upayamana kale purabhida. Yada dayanyastam drishadi dayamanena manasa.
Now we'll chant the entire verse. Padante kirtinam prapadamapadante vidipadam. Kathan nitam sadbhihi kathina kamathi karparatulam. Katham va bahubhyam उपयमनकाले पुरभिदा यदा दायन्यस्तं दृशदि दयमानेन मनसा
पदं ते कीर्तीनां प्रपदमपदं देवि विपदां कथं नीतं सद्भिः कठिनकमठीकर्परतुलां कथं वा बाहुभ्याम् उपयमनकाले पुरभिदा यदा दायन्यस्तं दृशदि दयमानेन मनसा पदं ते कीर्तीनां प्रपदमपदं देवि विपदां कथं नीतं सद्भिः कठिनकमठीकर्परतुलां कथं वा बाहुभ्याम् उपयमनकाले पुरभिदा यदा दायन्यस्तं दृशदि दयमानेन मनसा.
Uttamam, Vihan, well chanted. So we will revise the 4 verses we have learned today, that is 85 to 88. Namo vakam brumaha nayana ramaniyaya padayoho tavasmai dvandvaya स्फुटरुचिरसालक्तकवते असूयत्यत्यन्तं यदभिहननाय स्पृहयते पशूनामीशानः प्रमदवनकङ्केलितरवे मृषा कृत्वा गोत्रस्खलनमथ वैलक्ष्यनमितं ललाटे भर्तारं चरणकमले ताडयति ते चिरादन्तशल्यं दहनकृतमुन्मूलितवता तुलाकोटिक्वाणैः किलिकिलितमीशानरिपुणा हिमानी हन्तव्यं हिमगिरिनिवासैकचतुरौ निशायान्निद्राणं निशिचरमभागे च विशदौ वरलक्ष्मीपात्रं श्रियमतिसृजन्तौ समयिनां सरोजन्त्वत्पादौ जननि जयतश्चित्रमिह किं पदन्ते कीर्तीनां प्रपदमपदं देवि विपदां कथं नीतं सद्भिः कठिनकमठीकर्परतुलां कथं वा बाहुभ्याम् उपयमनकाले पुरभिदा यदा दायन्यस्तं दृशदि दयमानेन मनसा. Okay, so 88 verses we have learned. Thank you all. Okay, 87, there is a question. Is there a Dvitvam in Shriyamati Srijantau? Shriyamati Srijantau? No, there is no Dvitvam there. If you mean to say before Sri, I mean, if the question is it Shriyamati Srijantau? No, it is not. That is a common question, but we need to know the difference between a samyuktakshara, that is a conjunct consonant, and a gunitakshara. So again, if you go back to the first lesson of this class, we have dealt with this. So a samyuktakshara is a conjunct. For example, Lakshmi, you have here ka, sha, and mi, three vyanjanas, consonants, and e, one swara combined. Whereas if you take srijantau, sri, it is a gunitaksharam. Sa, si, su, sri. It is just one letter, one vyanjanam. It is sri. It is not a conjunct consonant or a samyuktaksharam. So we should not chant it as Shriyamati Srijantau. That is not correct. It is Shriyamati Srijantau. Okay, so anywhere you see this, this particular rikara, remember that it is a gunitakshara and it is not a samyuktakshara. Okay. All panelists chanted very well. Thank you all for your blessings and for the very kind words in your messages. And pranams to all of you also. And one of you mentioned, I read it somewhere in the chat, that you just joined the class. Vishalakshi Kannan Bhagini. Okay, no problem at all. Please continue attending, and you, like you know, we have all the recordings posted on YouTube and on our course page. So please visit, keep listening. Even if you sit for 1 hour with the recording on YouTube, it's as good as attending a class, right? So it is not live, but it is as good as attending a class. So with that, in a disciplined way, if you can sit through all the recordings, you will be able to catch up like you have attended the classes. So please continue attending. And see, the chanting itself is very meditative. So apart from learning rules of pronunciation and you know, how to pronounce and chandas and all that, the chanting process itself, like you all might have experienced, is very calming and meditative and creates a lot of positive vibrations. So, and of course, like I always say, chanting aloud has a lot of benefits because it itself is a breathing exercise. So it has a very calming effect. So let us continue this yajna. We will meet next Sunday at the same time, and we will continue with 89 onwards. Like you all know, after 90, we will have a revision session. Then we will have the last 10 left. Okay, so let us conclude with the Shanti Mantraha as usual. Sorry, before that, there is one more question. Gotra Skhalana. It is Gotra Skhalana only. It is not Gotrastha. No, that there is no extra t after sa. It is Gotra Skhalana, as it is given on the screen both in Devanagari and IAST. Thank you all. Let us conclude with Shanti Mantraha. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramayah, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschid dukkha bhag bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Ram Ram Ram. Agami Bhanuvasare Punarmilamaha. We will meet next Sunday at the same time. Thank you very much, everyone. And of course, thank you to our panelists for assisting us so well with the Anucharanam. It is making learning easier and a very pleasurable experience for us. Dhanyavadaha. Ram Ram Ram.